Hey all of you, welcome to Divyne. My name is Ryan. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming in. I already know if you like me, you're going to subscribe, and if you don't like me, you're not going to subscribe, or you just don't get to it. But if you find the heart in you to get the chance to, please subscribe, like and subscribe, all that jazz. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in.
Maximum effort. Hear the music.
So I wanted to make this video because I've gotten questions about the flawless new razor. Is it worth $40? I want to be completely honest. Obviously, my first video unboxing it and everything is a first impression. If you guys would like to see that, you can click up above. But I wanted to give you guys an update on the product after I've used it after a while, you know what I mean? And I also wanted to compare it to I don't know why I just keep on messing up these words. I want to compare it to Flawless Legs because I do have both, and I want you to know which one is worth buying and which one is worth a waste of time. So let's start. Flawless razor, is it worth $40? No, it is not worth $40. After using it, I know it says no nicks, no bumps, no cuts and all that stuff. It is a lie. I in fact did cut myself. I didn't get a picture. I was in a rush because I was trying to go to Universal and stuff, but it nicked me under my arm. When I seen that it did cut me, I was like, these lying mother you said no cutting. Why do I have nicks under my arm? But why am I bleeding? Like, come on now. And another thing about it that makes it not worth $40 is because when you're shaving with it, it takes multiple tries just to get the spot to be shaved. It should be going one time and the hair should be gone, you know what I mean? Like, you shouldn't have to go so many times over a piece of hair or a section of hair just to get it to go away. Now, the reason between these two, comparing the two, I would definitely say that Flawless Legs Comparing the two, I would definitely say that Flawless Legs is worth your money because Flawless Legs does get all the hair. I'm sorry if there's like a little bit of my hair showing, I can see it a bit. But Flawless Legs definitely gets your hair easily, and it takes a little time to sit at a section, but not as long as Flawless New Razor. Flawless New Razor will definitely waste your time with how long it takes. Like, it kind of is worth $40 and then it kind of isn't. Like, it has its pros and cons because Flawless New Razor also, you don't have to use any creams and stuff like it said. Like, that stuff is true, but that's the case with all Flawless products, you know what I mean? But it could have been better, and when I did cut myself with it, it made this crazy loud noise. I was like, did I cut myself? But I was like, no, it says that it doesn't cut, which is crazy. And when you turn it on, you can see like blades moving. Like, let me show you. Let me see if I can get in focus. You see those little lines? And then look, you see them moving and then it stops. And those blades did cut me. So just like, take precaution, you guys, before you buy this product. I mean, you can still buy it. It's still worth it because you don't have to. Like, you can go ahead and sit down and watch some TV while you shave your legs. But between the two, spending your money, Flawless Legs is worth it. Flawless Legs has not cut me. The only time I made a mistake with Flawless Legs is when I tried to get my bikini line with it, and it literally burnt me down there. It gave me bumps and it burned really bad. Like, I just wanted to put some ice on it. Not good. Thank God I went to the beach, and you know how the beach water is really good for you, so it helped me to feel better. But Flawless Legs is definitely better than Flawless New Razor, and I'm not sure which one's more expensive, I think, or if they're the same price. They probably are around the same price, but Flawless Legs definitely is better. I just don't want you guys to waste your money on any bull crap because that is totally not worth it. And the point of you getting on YouTube and looking up reviews is to get a good review on to know if you should buy a product or not. So I wanted to update you guys on that. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day because you guys are all beautiful people. Thank you so much for tuning in. Mwah.